Hello everyone, it's me ASM Arif welcoming you to my new Illustrator tutorial, and today I'll show you how to design wedding logo. And I have some elements. I downloaded this one from like a website, and I'll provide you the download link of this element in my video description. So let's start the tutorial. If you are new in my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for the new notifications. At first, go to the file and take new. So from the new portion, I'm taking the artboard, which is the wedding logo. Wedding 2000 pixel and 2000 pixel height and weight, and hit the create button. And after that, here some elements. I'll take these elements. I'm copying this one, mark the shortcut keys, which one I'm pressing over there, and Ctrl C and Ctrl F, and making it rotation like that. Press the shift button and hold it and rotate this one, and select these two things and make it in a middle alignment. After that, I'll just take write up or text like this. So press once and make the font size bigger, and choose the font, which is the BODO. Okay, Bodoni 72, and writing wedding well, and place over here. And then if you need, you can change it and make it bigger like that. Press the shift and hold it and place it in the middle. Actually, select these three things and make it middle like that. Right press and create outline, and press I from the eye picker, and then select these three things, make it group, and make it in a middle of the artboard. And now I have to make it like a mock-up. And how to do that? Go to the Photoshop, and I'll provide you the mock-up download link in my video description as well. So here is the Photoshop or PSD mock-up, and I'll edit that mock-up. Here is the smart object. Double press the smart object, turn off this one, and now I'll copying this logo, Ctrl C, and paste this logo in this and pixels, and hit OK, and hit the tick button and save this one. And then you are getting this type of logo in your Photoshop and Illustrator as well. And how to save this one like PNG or other stuff. So right press this one and export the selection and export the asset. And then how to use that in your photographs. Okay, in a Photoshop, if you want to place that logo in this type of photo, go to the file and place embedded options, and select that logo which you just exported, which is this type of logo, and hit the place button, and then you can place it anywhere you want. So if you want to change the color, go to the solid color and take the color like white and create clipping mask, and it will change up. And now selecting these two things, making it group and giving the name logo. In a future, if you need to change the logo color, just click over here and change the color according to your preferences, and then place this one in the middle. Okay, that's fine. So this one was today's video. Hope that you learn a lot from this video. If you did, please thumbs up and share with your friend. And if you have any kind of question, query, or request, please do comment on my video comment section. And if you want to get the download link of the font, elements, and the mockup, please check out my video description. Until the next video, I am ASM Arif signing out today. Bye bye.